welcome back to my channel. This is very interesting. Yes, we are asked to find the value of x. If a to the power of x is equal to square root of 16 root 8. Okay, first, eight is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 2 to the power of 3. And 16 is 2 to the power of 4. Okay, all right, now we're going to substitute this into this equation. I'm going to solve this using two methods, so please stay tuned and see. The last one is the most interesting and the fastest. All right, now we have 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power of x is equal to the square root of 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by the square root of 2 to the power of 3. All right, now remember that a to the power of m raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. That means that this is 2 to the power of 3x, right, is equal to the square root of 2 to the power of 4 root 2 to the power of 3. Now note that square root of a is equal to a to the power of half. So we can write this as 2 to the power of 3x is equal to square root of 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power of half. Recall that a to the power of m raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So we have 2 to the power of 3x is equal to the square root of 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by half. So 2 to the power of 3x is equal to the square root of 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 times 1 is 3 over 2. Now remember this law of exponents that states that a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Therefore, we can write this as 2 to the power of 3x is equal to the square root of 2 to the power of 4 plus 3 over 2. So we have 2 to the power of 3x is equal to the square root of 2 to the power of, now this is 4 over 1. The LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. When 1 divides 2 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8, plus when 2 divides 2 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3. So we have 2 to the power of 3x is equal to the square root of 2 to the power of 11 over 2. Now still remember that a square root of a is a to the power of half. So we have 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 2 to the power of 11 over 2 raised to the power of half. So we have 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 2 to the power of, remember that this is 11 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. So 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 2 to the power of 11 times 1 is 11 and 2 times 2 is 4. But a to the power of m equals a to the power of n implies that m is equal to n. So this implies that 3x is equal to 11 over 4. If we cross multiply, we have 3x multiplied by 4 is equal to 11 multiplied by 1. We have 12x is equal to 11. Have you liked, comment, and share this lovely video? Please do if you love what we are doing. Okay, thank you very much. Now let's divide both sides by 12. So we are going to have 12x over 12 is equal to 11 over 12. Now this will remove this and you can see that x is equal to 11 over 12. Now the method 2, that is the fastest and the most interesting. The equation says a to the power of x is equal to the square root of 16 root 8. We are going to square both sides. Because of this root, to remove it, just square both sides. So if we do that, we are going to have 8 to the power of x squared is equal to square root of 16 root 8 squared. Now, this is, remember that a to the power of m raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So that means this is 8 to the power of 2 multiplied by x is equal to, now remember that square root of a squared is equal to a. So this should be equal to 16 root 8. Now 8 raised to the power of 2 times x is 2x is equal to 16 root 8. Now we still have square root here, so we square both sides again. So if we do that, we have 8 to the power of 2x squared is equal to 16 root 8 squared. So this will be 8 to the power of 2x multiplied by 2 is equal to, now recall that ab squared is equal to a squared multiplied by b squared. So it means that this is 16 squared multiplied by root 8 squared. So you have 8 to the power of 4x is equal to 16 squared multiplied by 8. Now remember that 8 is 2 to the power of 3 and 16 is 2 to the power of 4. So we have 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 4x is equal to 2 to the power of 4 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3. So we have 2 to the power of 3 times 4x is 12x is equal to 2 to the power of 4 times 2 is 8 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3. Remember that a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Therefore, we write this as 2 to the power of 12x is equal to 2 to the power of 11. So 12x is equal to 11 since the bases are equal. So we divide both sides by 12 and we have x is equal to 11 over 12, just like we got using the other method.